How to schedule a meeting using the Chrome extension. To schedule a Zoom meeting using the Chrome extension, you must first download and install the extension. Let's do that now and head over to zoom.us. Hover over Resources and download Zoom Client. Scroll down to Zoom Extension for browsers and click Get from Chrome Web Store. Add to Chrome and add extension. A pop-up box confirming Zoom Scheduler has been added, and you will notice the Zoom Scheduler icon is placed next to Google address bar. Click on the icon and sign into Google. Once signed in, click on the icon again. Here, you can schedule a meeting, start a meeting, or sign out. But let's focus on the settings icon. This is where you can set your Zoom schedule options. Select whether you want meeting ID generated automatically or use your personal meeting ID. Password will be required. Choose random password or manually create your own. You will be able to create your own password when you schedule a meeting. Select video preferences for both host and participant. Select audio preferences and choose your preferred available options. If you want to keep the same settings every time you schedule a meeting using the browser extension, leave this box unchecked. Otherwise, by checking it, we'll open this option box every time you schedule a meeting. When you're done, save changes and Google will confirm your saved changes. Click the Zoom Schedule icon and let's schedule a meeting. Create a password. And continue. Choose the date, time of your meeting. And choose the time zone. This is the web address of the meeting. You can also set to be notified prior to start of your meeting. If you do not want to be notified, just click the X. You can also add additional information on the meeting invite. Add the people's email addresses of whom you want to send the meeting invites to and choose Guest Permissions options. When you are done, click Save and you will have the option to send the meeting invitations to Google Calendar guests.